Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to today's show. Oh my god, it's not a show. Actually, it's a lesson. Yeah. Welcome to today's lesson on the Nyunganyunga from Zimbabwe. This is actually a beginner's lesson where I'm teaching students who are interested in this particular instrument on how to play it. Now, today we're going to focus on our first song um, called Kukaiwa. Kukaiwa is a traditional song from Zimbabwe. Normally in learning institutions, this is a beginner song that is used to teach first-time students. Okay, so before we get into the song, we're gonna actually revisit the last lesson. We're just gonna browse through how to number your keys in order to be able to read number notation. Okay, so you count in a zigzag motion pattern. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so our first numbers are going to be 5 and 11. 5 on your left, 11 on your right. Okay, it's okay to count 5, but as time goes by you need to get used to this. Okay, 5, 11. From 511 we go to 115. Okay, can we move from 511 to 115? Okay, from there you move to 113. So it's from 511 to 115 to 113. So this song is apparently characterized by 3 beats per bar and 6 beats per phrase. So it basically goes like 1, 2, 3, that's a bar. 1, 2, 3, that's a bar. Okay, I'll show you the next pattern as we go. So from this movement right here, from 511, 115, 113, our second bar is going to be 511, 115, 311. Can you try that again? 511, 115, 311. So the whole phrase is going to be sounding like this. And we're done. The song is done. Okay, so what we just need to do is to add a couple of more beginner variations to make it more interesting. Right, our next step will be the splitting. Same patterns, 511, 115, and then you split on 113, starting with your 13 and your 1. So it'll be like, we do the same sequence again for the second bar, starting with your right on the split on the last chord. Okay, so the whole phrase is going to be sounding something like this. Can you try that again? Now from there, we go to the substitution. We're going to substitute some chords using some other numbers. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Right here we were substituting 11, playing it with 9. 5, 9, 7, 15. On 7, 15 we have substituted 1 and then 113. So it's going to be sounding like this. That's for the first bar. Okay, for the second bar, same thing. Okay, now on this particular sequence you can actually split as well on the last chord. All right, now from here we're going to add an accompaniment of voices. This will train some, especially beginners. They're normally trained on how to multitask, so you have to sing and play at the same time. It's quite an interesting move. So you can use either the sequence of substitution or the normal one that I gave you. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So the beat is on 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to keep in time, you can actually tap your foot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So you start singing on your first beat, and you'll be following the 3 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Okay. And then there's another accompanying voice. This normally sounds really good when you're playing with somebody else, or the 4 of you or the 3 of you. Someone will be doing the oh yeah, yeah, and somebody else might be doing this one using the substitution method. Awo, 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 awo. Okay, so the good thing about this is that you get to play both the splitting and the chords, right? You can go awo, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. It brings a polyrhythmic sound, which is really interesting to listen to. So from there, you keep on practicing using 2 cycles. Okay, you can actually do that, and you can add variations of not starting with 9 and 5, but you can actually opt to go like this. Right, it brings some spice into the song. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. It was really wonderful hanging out with you guys. Be sure to subscribe for more lessons. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at kukaiwa intermediate. Pretty challenging and a little bit interesting for those who are not resistant to challenges. Alright, so peace out, take care, and stay at home.